goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. Get yourself a step or a DC block, something along those lines. You're going to stand right on top. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to get a slight knee bend on both knees. You want to put one leg slightly back. So I'm kind of like this right here because I'm going to be stepping off of the box with this, or the book. So I'm going to push the hips back just like that. I'm going to get one leg slid back. I'm going to keep, in this case, my right leg's going to stay on the step. I want to get heavy through the heel. I want to make sure my knee stays centered. It doesn't cave in. Here, you're going to just barely step back and tap. So I'm just like tapping my big toe down. I'm going to have my opposite arm forward like I'm sprinting. If you get it right, you're going to feel a ton of activity in the lower glute area and the quad. You want to hold this position and breathe. Really staying heavy through the front heel. So just to show you again, I'll do it on the other side because that side is cooked. You want to push the hips back. And I'll show you, I'm going to slide off. I'll just keep it on the right. Slide off, just like so. So, hips back, slide off, tap, hold. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.